third problem. Find matrix A such that A into matrix 2, 3, 4, 5 is equal to matrix 0, -4, 10, 3. Now all of you listen carefully. Solution given. A is unknown matrix. A into matrix 2, 3, 4, 5 is equal to matrix 0, -4, 10, 3. Now we have to find the first order of the matrix A. Then we are going to multiply. Given two matrix, this is 2 by 2 matrix and RHS also 2 by 2 matrix. Multiplication of two matrices. If you want to multiply two matrices, this row should be equal to column. Our first matrix column should be equal to second matrix row. So what? How many rows are there in second matrix? That many columns should be there. See how to find the order of matrix. Next, if these two are okay, then 2 by here what is there? 2. So 2 by 2 matrix will come. This will come. This is for this row and column should be equal, and next 2 by 2 matrix. Are you able to follow? So let A be the matrix of order 2 by 2. 2 rows, 2 columns. That is A is equal to A, B, C, D. 2 by 2 matrix. 2 rows, 2 columns. Now understood how to find order of matrix A and what will be the matrix? What will? Any 26 letters are there. Any letter can take. Starting, so we took A, B, C, D. Now A into given matrix is equal to answer. So multiply. Second one. Second point. First point. Rows. This columns. First matrix column should be equal to second matrix row. That we have done. Second point. What is the second point? Row with the column. We have to multiply row with the column. Not row with, I am telling. Row with. Keep in mind. Some little row with. Oh. No. A into 2 plus B into 4. Row with the column. Again second one. A into 3 plus B into 5. Third one. C into 2 plus D into 4. C into 3 plus D into 4 is equal to matrix 0, -4, 10, 3. This one you have to write compulsory. Now A into 2 is 2A plus B into 4 is 4B, A into 3 is 3A plus B into 5, 5B, C into 2 is 2C plus D into 4 is 4D, C into 3, 3C plus D into 5 is 5D is equal to 0, -4, 10, 3. Whenever you see is equal to equal matrices, they are equal matrices. What is the equal matrix definition? First element will be equal to first one, second element with second, third with third, fourth with fourth. Now I am comparing first element with first. 2A plus 4B is equal to 0. Keep this as equation number 1. 3A plus 5B is equal to -4. 3A plus 5B is equal to -4. Now we got simultaneous equations. Still there are, we have to do one by one because these are A term and B term. So these two we are taking. Variables are same. So we are solving these two simultaneous equations first. Now I don't want A. So this 3 I will take here and I will multiply, and this 2 here. Interchange. With 3 you are multiplying this complete equation. 2, 3, 6 plus 4, 3 is 12B is equal to 0, 3 is 0. We have multiplied with 3. Coming to second equation, we are multiplying with 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 5 is 10 is equal to -8. Now signs are same, we have to subtract. So plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. The second equation sign changes when we are subtracting. Plus and minus get cancelled. Next, plus 12b minus 10b, we will get 2b. From 12 minus 10 is 2. B is equal to, not minus 8, plus 8, because the sign changes, plus 8. B is equal to 2 in 2B means 2 into multiplication becomes division. 2 goes in 8 4 times. So B is equal to 4. Substituting B is equal to 4 in equation 1. What is equation 1? 2A plus 4B is equal to 0. So in the place of B you are writing 4. 2A plus 4 into 4 is equal to 0. 2A plus 4 fours 16 is equal to 0. Now plus 16 coming from left to right, minus 16. So 2A is equal to minus 16 implies A is equal to minus 16 by 2. 2 goes in 16 8 times. So therefore A is equal to minus 2. Now we got value of A and B. Still C and D are there, we have to find. Therefore A is equal to minus 8. Now coming to the next. Third element with the third. Fourth element with the fourth. Left hand side and right hand side. These are two more simultaneous equations with variables C and D. Before we did A and B, now C and D. Now the third one I am multiplying with 3 and the fourth one with 2. I am interchanging. This 3 I am taking here to the third equation and this 2 to the fourth equation. Now I am multiplying. 3 table everybody knows. 2 3 6 C plus 4 2 4 3 is 12D plus 10 3 is 30. Next, with the 2 table I am multiplying. 3 2 6 plus 2 5 is 10 is equal to 3 2 6. Now same signs are there. I am going to subtract. Plus and minus get sign. When we are subtracting, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. Plus and minus get cancelled. 12D minus 10D is 2D is equal to 30 minus 6 is 24. D is equal to 24 by 2. Multiplication changes division. 2 goes in 24 12 times. So D value, because D is equal to 12. Substituting D is equal to 12 in equation 3. So why not 4? Any one. Either 3 or 4. Any one you take. 2C plus 4D is equal to 10. Now you are substituting D is equal to 12. 2C plus 4 into 12 is equal to 10. 2C plus 4 12s are 48 is equal to 10. Now you are taking plus 48 from left hand side to right hand side. So 2C is equal to 10 minus 48. 2C is equal to minus 38. Signs are opposite. Here plus is there, minus is there. Signs opposite, we are going to subtract and bigger number sign comes. This is all you know. Now into becomes division. C is equal to minus 38 by 2. 2 goes 19 times. So how much we got C value means minus 19. They told to find A. Therefore A is equal to what we thought, A, B, C, D. So those values you replace. A is minus 8, B is 4, C is minus 19 and D value is 12. So this is the matrix of A. 26th problem. Given matrix 4, 2, minus 1, 1 into M is equal to 6I, where M is a matrix and I is a unit matrix. M is a matrix and I also matrix, but this is unit matrix or identity matrix. Matrix of order 2 by 2. Which one? This I is a unit matrix of order 2 by 2. State the order of matrix M and find M. Solution given 4, 2, minus 1, 1 into M is equal to 6I. 4, 2, minus 1, 1 into M, unknown matrix, is equal to 6 into identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. Now 4, 2, minus 1 into M is equal to multiply with 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 ones are 6. Now the two matrix are 2 by 2 matrix and 2 by 2 matrix. M matrix we have to find. Columns should be equal to rows. The first matrix columns should be equal to second matrix rows. So here 2 is there, here also 2 I wrote. Next, what is here that will come? So 2 by 2 matrix, 2 came. 2 by 2. So when these two are there, 2 by what is there here? 2. That is a way of finding order of matrix M. Therefore, the order of matrix M is 2 by 2. Let M be A, B, C, D matrix. Now we are multiplying. 4, 2, minus 1, this matrix into A, B, C, D, this matrix. How to multiply? First the order should be, just now we proved here. Columns of first matrix should be equal to rows of second matrix. Row with column. 4 into A plus 2 into C. First element. Again with row with second column. 4 into B plus 2 into D. 4 into B plus 2 into D. Third one. Minus 1 into A plus 1 into C. Minus 1 into A plus 1 into C. Fourth one. Minus 1 into D plus 1 into minus 1 into B plus 1 into D. So be careful. BD. For B if you write D and if you write for D, big problem. So danger with the BD. Be careful. Now you are, that is equal to 6006. Now you are multiplying. 4 into A is 4A plus 2 into C is plus 2C. 4B plus 2D. Plus into minus is minus, 1A is A, plus 1C is C. Plus into minus is minus, 1B is B, plus 1D is D, is equal to 6006. Now we are comparing, because equal matrices, 2 by 2 order and that is also 2 by 2. When the orders are same and is equal to the equal matrices. First element with first one. 4A plus 2C is equal to 6. 4B plus 2D is equal to 0. Minus A plus C is equal to 0. Minus B plus D is equal to 6. So these 4 equations you wrote. Now you are selecting A, C, and the combination of A, C you have to take. These two are simultaneous equations with AC variables. You can't solve this AC and BD. AC, BD won't work here. Are you able to follow? AC with AC. Understood? Now that's why I am taking these two equations. I am combining 4A plus 2C is equal to 6. This is equation number 1. That is equation number 1. Minus A plus C is equal to 0. This is equation number 3. Not 2. Third equation. These two I am combining and solving. These two simultaneous equations. Now here plus 4A is there. Here if you multiply with 4, minus 4A get cancelled. So the third equation multiply with 4. Now add 4A plus 2C is equal to 6 minus 4A plus 4C. You are multiplying second is equation with 4. When you are adding, both get cancelled. 2C is equal to 6. C is equal to 6 by 6, 1. 6 C we got as 1. Substituting C is equal to 1 in equation 3. What is equation 3? Minus A plus C is equal to 0. Minus A plus 1 is equal to 0. So minus A plus 1 goes that side, minus 1. So A is equal to 1. Now the remaining two equations are second equation and fourth equation. 4B plus 2D is equal to 0. Minus B plus D is equal to 6. Multiply the fourth equation with 4. So that 4B plus 2D is equal to 0. Minus 4B plus 4D is equal to 6 4s are 24. Now you are adding these two equations because plus and minus get cancelled. 2 plus 4 is 6D is equal to 24. D is equal to 24 by 6. 6 goes in 24 4 times. So D is equal to 4. Substituting D is equal to 4 in equation 4. Any one in second also you can substitute or fourth, because fourth one is simple. Fourth equation I took. Minus B plus D is equal to 6. Minus B plus 4 is equal to 6. Plus 4 goes from left to right is minus 4. So minus B is equal to 2. We want B opposite sides. Minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. So B is equal to minus 2. Therefore the matrix M is A, B, C, D. We thought A value is 1, B value is minus 2, C value is 1, D value is 4. So what is the matrix we got? Means 1, minus 2, 1, 4.